He'd just fallen off a cliff. He'd blown the whistle in a senior leadership role in the public sector, and when somebody has an emotional, acute psychological breakdown, one day they're there in front of you, stressed, yeah, obsessed by work, yes, not being able to sleep, yeah. But that's normal, isn't it? It goes with the territory. The next day, that person that you know and love, they've disappeared. Complete shutdown. We were told at the time it would possibly take 5 years for him to recover. And for him, me, and our family, and the devastating consequences of that, it was a fairly accurate estimate. And if only, there were a lot of if onlys. If only we'd seen it coming. But there was another if only for me. Professionally, in my head, it was if only I could understand why and how things get to this point where people go to work and it is so toxic for so many people. It's damaging, it's soul-destroying, it's exhausting, and it can be devastating. How does that happen?